Here we are in front of Dinny McGinley's office in Bun Beag for the protest of Can't Pay, Won't Pay group, but Cloch and some representatives from Gaeilge, and I've got Bridget here. Why are you here, Bridget?
Well, I'm here today in protest against all these austerity cuts and all of this that Dinny McGinley and his crew, his party, is putting on us to make us suffer more. And it's a shame that he's not here today, because I would give him a good mouthful. There are a good few people here today, and we're happy enough with it.
Yeah, it's good turnout considering the bad weather.
Yeah, it's very bad weather.
Yeah,
where we left this morning, it was pouring rain.
Yeah.
And when we came over here, it's a wee bit better. So that's good morning.
And have you got anything to add there, Máire? Gary?
I'd just like to agree with Mary Bridget and say that he isn't here today. He's in France celebrating the Battle of the Somme. It's ironic, and he's making his constituents here suffer even more with all of these extra cost cuts. So we're just here today to let him know that we're still not paying and we're not going away.
Thank you very much. Okay, bye.
Dinny McGinley, agus Fhaola or Fine Gael. Agus Finus, a Rabunch in the Cheann, is the Carnaha, Gaoraha, a Tabru, agus a Wakajahu, agus is a me Hogamus, a Tag Tower. Hamajaman Akajiata, Obi Tusta Piana, agus Grupa Hogamira, Iglesia Hamina in the Cloch Valley. Ohio Cantida, the Tomo the Unity Tea, go forward Jupu, Cladu, I guess a Concha Yield. Japa Goil, a Skamigid, Mila Cha Claudia, Ahana, Goroni Small, Na Chua Coach the Fashud, Claudia. Fahani Talu, agus Fábrey, agus yet Shudlin is small, the Chawan. Oh, in the Dail Shasta. When you show our Oakridge go killing your Charlton show. Kena Baran, a quick euro in a Quadu, Reviva in an over, agus Kuga euro in the Asian. Then the meat at you. Mabin was Radu Lejanu, or the Gawa Cherash. Maybe 3 million Kacha, Abraha Sharaha Chamala Kia. The heck of a Kuchu of the work to here. I just got no hostish, they fuck like the Inaha. You had magic calculation package. I guess I'm buying on real to show. How much you get it caught in the finger? Don't watch in the tree here. Oh my god.
We would agree that any groundwater pollution by septic tanks must be dealt with. We want clean water as well as everyone else, but we would question, is the Minister serious about finding a sustainable solution to the problem? Unless other sources of pollution are eliminated, for example, industrial waste, some of the county councils own wastewater treatment plants, and the potential for pollution that processes like fracking can cause. The problem and the pollution of our groundwater will not be adequately dealt with. The Minister introduced what he called a risk-based approach in the Dail debate of May the 3rd, which totally ignore the Environmental Protection Agency Code of Practice for Wastewater and Disposal Systems for Single Houses Act 2009, which was developed following a series of studies and reports. While failure to comply with the EU standards to satisfy the EU Water Work Directives, a study by the National Study of Unsewered Wastewater Treatment Systems in 2008 found that a significant portion of the country's country has subsoil conditions that are simply unsuitable for percolation areas. For example, boggy ground or rock, the effluent cannot run away. This means that suitable soil may have to be brought in by the householders, adding to the cost. In many cases, people would not have the room for percolation area and suitable soil on their site. This is where the costs would begin to mount for householders. Basic costs for a pumping system to a percolation area, including materials, would be around €5,000 at least. The issue of groundwater pollution is a serious one, but cannot be successfully solved on an individual householder basis. Until the government addresses the issues in a proper, fair manner, we call for a boycott of the registration process.